applications of trigonometry. Now पहले तो हम जानेंगे why trigonometry, उसका यूज़ क्या है, हम क्यों ये कर रहे हैं. तो एक्चुअली उसकी ज़रूरत कहाँ पड़ी थी. सबसे पहले ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की ज़रूरत एस्ट्रोनॉमी में उसका नीड कॉज था. ठीक है, मेन कॉज वाज द नीड इन एस्ट्रोनॉमी. एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स ने इसको यूज़ किया था ट्रिगो को मेजरमेंट करने के लिए, द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड प्लैनेट्स, अदर प्लैनेट्स एंड सन, देन स्टार्स, and they could study that. They use this trigonometry in that. Then we use in some geographic purpose, then even in we can say this for navigation purposes, then even for constructing maps also they were using this trigonometry. There is one instrument to measure trigonometry. Textbook you open, first page itself it is given theodolite is one of the instrument. It is based on the principles of trigonometry, and it is used for measuring the angles. It is connected with the telescope also, so to watch the stars we can use this. And it was, I think, first time used by St. George Everest. It is given in your book, textbook. It was used by St. George Everest. At present, this you will find where it is kept in the Museum of Dehradun. Okay? It was used for surveying purpose, main thing, surveying instrument. Now, here we will be using trigo for measuring the distance and heights, to find out the height and distance. Our sums will be based on finding the distance or height. Okay? So first one, main thing here, it is depending on there are two angles main here. Suppose person is standing here. This is the horizontal line. Okay, the object is over here. This is perpendicular right angle, and the observer is here, and this is the ground. Okay, just pay attention. From the eyes, here we are seeing up, and from where we are seeing up, this is said to be from where we are seeing from our eyes, we are seeing up to the object, and this to the horizontal on the ground. This is called angle of elevation. This is called angle of elevation. आया समझ में? There are two concepts over here, angle of elevation, another is angle of depression. When we look up, it is said to be angle of elevation. Now, I am standing over here in my window and I am watching down something. Whatever the object is, you can say boat. You are looking here. Now, your eye is watching down. Okay, and this is the horizontal. Okay, and here another horizontal. Our horizontal is this. Our eye is watching down. Okay, and our horizontal is here, so this is called angle of depression. Okay, this is the ground river, you can say ground level. Okay, now whenever in the question it is given angle of depression, you have to draw accordingly the diagram, but the angle of elevation will be equal to angle of depression, because these two horizontals are parallel and these two are alternate angles and they are same, so both are equal over here. Angle of elevation becomes this, and these two angles are equal. आया इतना समझ में? एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन एंड डिप्रेशन में कोई डाउट नहीं है ना? ओके, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. I'll not write the question, okay? Just pay attention in your book. A tower stands vertically on the ground, okay? From a point on the ground. From a point on the ground. This is the ground. And from here the tower is standing vertically, okay? This is the tower. Now, which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. This is tower is standing from a point on the ground. Okay, this is a point and tower is standing away. That is how much away? 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. So this is 15 meters we have. Okay, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. We have to find angle of elevation will be this. This is our tower, and to the ground, this is our angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, many questions will be there. You won't be given any type of figure. You have to make your own figure, and if you make wrong figure, your answer will go wrong. So while making figure, be perfect. Okay, take care and read the question properly and then make the figure. Tower is standing from a point away from the point on the ground, and that is 15 meters away, and this is the angle of elevation from the point 60 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. How will I get here? Now here we have to use the ratios of trigonometry. Here I can use, I am having 60 degree, angle of theta is C. So here my adjacent side is 15. Then I have to find opposite. Then I can use tan C is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Okay, AB upon BC. That is BC is 15 down and tan 60 degree, and this is AB we have to find. Tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to AB upon 15. So this 15 will go here. 15 root 3 will be your AB. That is the height of the tower. Okay. If you remember the table, this lesson will be very easy for you. Identities and table. Okay. Question 2. Pay attention. An electrician has to repair an electric fault on a pole of height 5 meter. Okay, I am having the pole. This is the ground and this is the pole of electricity. Okay, and it is 5 meter. Okay, height of the pole is 5 meters. Now further she needs to reach a, that means an electrician is a lady. She needs to reach a point 1.3 meter below the top of the pole to undertake the repair work. Now see, she needs to reach a point where 1.3 meter below the top of the tower. From the top, this is top और यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचना है to do the work, and this is 1.5 meter down, this much here, and here will be the ladder to do repairing work. Further question, what should be the length of the ladder that she should use, which when inclined to an angle of 60 degree to the horizontal would, our horizontal is this, is the ground is the horizontal, and ladder is having 60 degree angle of elevation with the horizontal line. Okay, that is ground. Would enable her to reach the required position. Also, how far from the foot of the pole should she place the foot of the ladder? Now here, this distance you have to find and this height of the ladder you have to find. We have this 60 degree. Which formula can I use? Opposite angle is here. I'll name it. This is A, this is B, C, and this I'll name as D. Okay. I am not going according to text. Okay. So here D is there. Here is the pole 5 meter, and this is the place she has to come and repair over here. That is 1.5 meter down. Okay. So our main opposite side will become 5 minus 1.5. That is 3.5 meter. Okay. Our opposite side 3.5 meter. Here I have opposite. Yes. Somebody said. Okay, sorry, 1.3. 3.7. Now opposite side I am having. I can take 10, then I'll get down the ground. Tan 60 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Okay, and our opposite here is DB, that is BD upon BC. Okay, naming in the textbook might be different, yes, and mine is different, so don't go accordingly. Understand the main concept. So here tan 60 degree is what? Root 3 is equal to BD is 3.7 upon BC. Put here the BC. BC is equal to 3.7 upon root 3. Okay. If you want, you can put the value of root 3. Root 3 value is 1.7. If you write this, then also your answer is correct. But if you put the value of root 3 is 1.73. Yes, it is given in the question 1.73. So you have to put here, so 3.7 upon 1.73. So what will be your answer over here? So 3 I think. 2.13 or 14, whatever you can take. 4 will go more I think. So you can take 3. You can put approximate 2.13 approx. Okay, this is your answer. Meter, write the unit. Then you got this. Now we want the height of the ladder. Distance you got. The foot of the pole, electric pole, and the foot of the ladder is 2.13 meter. Now your hypotenuse is to be counted. So I can take sine 60 is equal to 60 is opposite upon hypo. That is opposite to 60 is BD upon hypotenuse is BC. So sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and opposite is 3.7 upon BC, that is you have to find. BC is equal to 3.7 into 2 upon root 3. Okay, put the value of root 3, 3.7 into 2 upon 1.73. 4.28 is the textbook answer. I am getting 4.26 because they have taken here 14. I have taken 13. So this is your approx you write over there. Understood? Yes. Any doubts? Next one. Example number 3. An observer. जो देख रहा है, one who observes. An observer 1.5 meter tall. लंबा है उतना observer. Here I am having the observer. He is 1.5 meter tall. So here it is 1.5 meter. Okay, this is the ground. He is 28.5 meter away from a chimney. There is a chimney. Here is the chimney. And it is, this observer is away 28.5 meters. So this is the distance between the observer and the foot of the chimney. Okay. And the angle of elevation of the top of chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. Okay. From the top of the chimney to the eyes. यहाँ से यहाँ तक, eyes तक, this is angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay. Understood the figure? समझे फिगर? पढ़ते पढ़ते ध्यान से you draw properly the figure. Read properly the question. What is the height of the chimney? You have to find the height of the chimney. What will be the height of chimney? See, this is the chimney, but half part of the chimney I am having height 1.5. Here is 1.5 meter because this is horizontal line and here also horizontal line is same. It is parallel. So till here, till the observer, I am having the height, and this height I will calculate as x, or you can take h. Anything you can take x or h. We have to find the height of the chimney. What shall I do? Simple. Height of chimney, that is, I will name it A, B, C, then here D and here E. Okay. So height of the chimney will be AB. Okay. And AB is equal to AD plus DB. And AD is H plus 1.5 M. This is the height of the chimney. Now, this is 28.5. CB is equal to 28.5 meters, same is ED. ED is also same 28.5 meters. I am having the adjacent side, opposite I have to find, here also 28.5 meters. So you take tan 45 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent side, that is opposite is AD upon adjacent is ED. Tan 45 degree is 1. 1 is equal to opposite is AD, that is AD is only H upon ED is 28.5 meters. Put here H is equal to 1 into 28.5, that is H is 28.5 meters. This part you got. Therefore, height of chimney is equal to AD plus DB, that is 28.5 plus 1.5, that will be 28, 29 and 0.5, 30 meters, that is AB. Did you get? Example number 4. Number 4. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of a 10 meter tall building is 30 degree. What is point P on the ground? The angle of elevation of top of a 10 meter tall building is 30 degree. That means here is the building, angle of elevation to the point here on the ground, here it is 30 degree. Okay. Now a flag is hoisted at the top of the building. Here is the flag and the angle of elevation of top of flag staff from P is 45. Now this is P. From here angle of elevation is 45 degree. Okay. Find the length of the flag staff and the distance of building from P. You have to find from point P this building distance. This distance you have to find. Then you have to find the height of this flag. Okay. 10 meter tall building. Here this is 10 meter tall. Easy. Can you find? Simple. With this building 30 degree I am having 10 and 30 degree. So 10 30 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. That is opposite क्या है? Directly I am putting anyhow A, B, C and P. Not according to textbook. Okay. Opposite is BC upon adjacent CP. That is equal to 10 upon CP. BC is 10 upon CP. And 10 30 degree. 10 30 degrees 1 by root 3 is equal to 10 upon CP. Therefore CP is equal to 10 root 3. You got this CP, 10 root 3. Okay. Now this part, these two, both the angles are at P. CP is the base. So this base I am having, this 45 degree I am having. So whole I can find. Okay. So 10 again I am taking 10, 45 degree is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Opposite here will be now AC whole upon adjacent, that is CP. But AC is in two parts, that is I will count here as X. AC is X plus 10 upon CP. You got 10 root 3. Okay. आया समझ में? Now 10 45 degree is 1. 1 is equal to X plus 10 upon 10 root 3. Put this here. 10 root 3 is equal to X plus 10. Therefore X is equal to 10 root 3 minus 10. Understood? Remove common 10. X is equal to common 10 we are removing. So it will become root 3 minus 1. This is your answer. Height of X that is flag. Height of flag is 10 root 3 minus 1. If you have root 3 value, so 10 root 3 is 1.73 minus 1, that is 10, 1 minus 1 gone, so 0.73. So 10 into 0.73 will give 7.3 approximate and meters right. Did you get? I have taken point only 1. Okay, it is 7.32, I think. In question it is given. Yes. 32. So 2. So here it will come 2. 7.32. Understood?